Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. It's Sunday, so it's a haul video, and this week it's a book haul. I'm filming this in advance. This is my third one in a row. Well, when I say in a row, I did two yesterday. I'm doing one this morning. I ran out of time yesterday. So here we are, a Flower Fairies book. My friend was here at the weekend, and she was sleeping in my craft room, and she noticed a jigsaw puzzle with the flower fairies. She said, "What's the flower fairies?" And I went, "No, you must remember the flower fairies from our childhood." And then when we went charity shop shopping, she went, "Oh, look, Jez, just look what I found." So I have loads of flower fairy books. Blue is purple. And I love the images. And it's like, these are quite big for using in a journal. But look, this is why I had to buy them. It's like, oh, they're like flower fairy paper dolls. Sometimes don't need to put wings behind them because they've already got them. And I thought, oh, I can cut them out. I mean, there's smaller ones here that I can use, but it was mainly these images here that I wanted. So I'm thinking my scan and cut. I mean, there I'd have to choose which one I wanted. But I'm thinking my scan and cut should manage this. I mean, sometimes the paper's too thin, it doesn't like it, but I might back it and then it will cut out. So yeah, that is what I was thinking. And some of these, because I love the images so much, I could frame them. But yeah, that is why I decided I'd get, and it's all of them, it's all seasons. And I've got them in numerous different ones. So it was like, I really need to get on, finish my Flower Fairies journal, because it's been on the go for years. On the go for absolute years. And they're just such gorgeous images, aren't they? And yeah, going to enjoy using the little ones. So, she's pretty. Love a fuchsia. Yeah, so I loved it. Love, love, love. So there we go. How beautiful is that? It's by Warren. Yeah. What else did I get? I was recently down in Devon and went into, well, this was in the Pannier Market actually in Tavistock. Yeah, saw this. I think he charged me £1 for it. Didn't have a price on. It was like, oh, it was Antiques Day. That's right. My sister-in-law said when we went in the market, she went, "Oh, it's Antiques Day," and I went, "It was meant to be, wasn't it?" So yeah, I just love it. It's full of like little bits of adverts. I love the colour of the pages. So I will be using these. Now I'm just gonna, yeah, so that's an A4 sheet. Yeah, these can be, I'll take the staples out. It can just be a lovely page in a journal. It'll be not as tall, be nice, give it some interest, having a different shape in it. Love it. We watch Strictly together. We do like a bit of Strictly. There we go. That was that one. And then this one was in a charity shop in Tavistock. Fundamental arithmetic. There was no I couldn't see a date on this at all anywhere, but it is old money, so I think there was a bit of decimalisation in there. Anyway, we were trying to date it. My sister-in-law is a retired maths teacher, and yeah, I liked the fact we got a ruler there. Yeah, I just, you know, something a little different in a journal. That's what I like. So yeah, I thought they had a couple of them. I went for the book that was thicker. Skip it. More bang for me buck, as we say. I liked the cover. I thought I could do something with the cover as well. This is a book I bought. It was recommended. I journal now every day, which, considering I've been making journals now for 5 years, I don't actually write in them. I've done the odd December daily, I did Junk Journal January, which is, well, not really journaling, is it? That was just like art journaling, collaging or whatever. But I now, I do write things every day, but I do it on my phone in a journaling app. And Donna Ashworth writes some amazing poetry, and I have, you know, saved some of her poetry to look at. And sometimes the words are really, really speak to me about the grief I'm going through. So this is a daily journal, takes you through the whole year, and there's little prompt bits, which I thought might be useful. I mean, it's not actually how I journal, but I thought this might be nice, nice to do. Like there, how is writing in a journal helping you think about yourself? And I could write about what journaling has been doing for me. Looking for joy in small things. What have you found? I mean, I write that sort of thing every day. I write about glimmers, and I write about things I'm grateful for. And there's also the odd bit of a poem splattered about the journal. And so I thought I wanted to begin to write in a journal, and I thought this might get me to actually physically write, and then I might use some of my beautiful journals that I'm making to you know, to write things. Do like the poetry. There's some bits on, there's a reflection there, which isn't a particular day, it's just so that ooh, sneezing. I did buy this second hand, and somebody has written the odd one, but I thought it doesn't matter, I can just stick over it. So then my thoughts was, do I start this now, go to October the 28th, because that's what today is, and start writing, or do I start in January, so I'm working from the front? And there's a bit of me. January is all about sort of new start, whatever, so I think I'm going to wait till January to start this. I am going to do December daily this year, I think, so that I start writing. So that'll be my physically writing in a journal every day. Gonna do a December daily, and then I can start this from January, and I've already maybe developed a habit. So that's my thoughts. We'll see if it happens. Let's see if it happens. So more books. So this is Shakespeare Select Plays. This is Macbeth. Now I love the cover of this. I'm 50. I loved that. I might scan that because that'd be beautiful as a bit backing paper, won't it? And I say things like that all the time, and then I just never get around to it. But yeah, I liked it. It's nice size. Love a bit of Shakespeare, and just nice coloration. And I thought I like the cover. And there's another. Oh, it's a shame somebody's done a drawing on the back. Mind you, I can get rid of that through Photoshop if I scan these. These would be nice little backing pages. And yeah, so just a nice little book to find a home for. Then I got this one. This is Butterflies and Moths. I love the cover again. This is perfectly usable, the cover, and we've got some beautiful pictures, and I think the plane on the other side, yeah, they are. So that's just fabulous for going in a journal. Don't know if there was a date in this, but it was about, there's some black and white pictures which are okay. I don't like the moths so much. Moths make me shudder. They give me the gip. Don't like them, but you know, that's nice. Even though it's black and white, it's very nice. I could maybe colorize it in a way, could try, but there were a couple of nice colour drawings. Oh look, that butterfly there, spooky. This is on my desk. It might not be the same butterfly, but hey ho. So how many coloured ones were there? 2. and the one at the beginning 3. Is it just 3 colour pictures? If I basically spent 50p on each picture, mind you, I've got other things I'm going to use in it, but yeah, liked it. I love that actually. That's really nice as well. So that's my book. My book. There we've got this one. This is the Hanoverian period. English history readers. I liked the feel of this as a book cover. And it is Queen Victoria. It is a book from 1897, so it is an antique. And I do intend to do a Queen Victoria journal. So I love the series Victoria, absolutely fantastic. We have the family tree there. Is there any other pictures? Well, there's all sorts in here. So I've got quite a few books on Victoria. So yeah, this will make a nice little addition to a Queen Victoria journal. Probably a 2026 project, but I'm categorising my books so I can put all the Queen Victoria ones together, so at least they're together and I can kind of make a bit of a start on it. So there we are, there's that. And then there was this wonderful book here. This is Feathers, Clement. Nice cover. It's really hard. It's like wood. Liked it. There is some Roman numerals there. I don't have a device to look it up. If you want to, it's MD 3Cs LXL. MD CCC LXL. I think it's an L. Let's put my glasses on. I could be giving you porkies there. It's I. And there was a full stop next to it. So MD CCC LXI. So see how old it is. So this is a Roman Catholic story. Beautiful writing there. I like that. So yeah. What have we got? Let's whiz to the back. Oh, that's quite nice. I could scan that. Probably scan the whole lot. I quite like it when I get an antique book so I can make a masterboard and know that they're scannable. I like that image. Father Clement. So that's obviously his name. Might look Father Clement up, see who he is. Because I'm such a good Catholic, I have no idea. Oh, look, we've got a date here. All right, so we've got a 1854. That's not what that is. Because that's an 11, isn't it? X1, that'd be 11, wouldn't it? But this was given to somebody in 1937. So, yeah. There we go. And then my final book is a beauty. My final book is a stunner. Look. Look, look, look. Look. How beautiful. Love it. So this is the English Woman's magazine. So the English Woman's domestic magazine. It says 1862 there. Look at that. How beautiful. Oh, I like that. Oh, yeah, it's got just, these are for putting over women's mouths. So it's a scold. So it's like, you know, women were scolded, so they would wear these over their mouths to stop them talking. So yeah, there's some quite bleh things in there. But will you look at this illustration? There's loads of these, absolutely loads of these. I should be able to scan them because how stunning are they? There is loads. And you're never going to believe how much this book cost me. You are absolutely never going to believe it. Start guessing now. Start guessing. Put your guesses down in the comments. How much do you think I paid for this book? I went in the charity shop and he was putting it in the window, and I went, oh, is that part of the window display? Because sometimes really nice things are just part of the display and not for sale. He went, oh no, it's for sale. I went, oh, can I have a look? So I flicked through, I saw those illustrations and I went, it's mine. And I was like, he probably wants a tenner for it. I'll pay a £5. Because look, it's stunning. Just so beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to go through it and then I'm going to reveal how much I paid for it. So gorgeous. Just love the colours. They're really quite vibrant, really, for how old it is. And it's 175 years old. There's more than that. Just, or thereabouts. Can't do my maths. Oh, is she gorgeous? Yeah, and I just loved the cover. This is going to make such a beautiful journal. You're probably sitting thinking, how can you rip that apart, Jez? Well, because I bought it to do a journal. I haven't looked it up. If I look up how much it might be worth, I might change my mind. So I haven't looked it up yet because I just love that section. Anyway, I said, oh, it's not priced. Can you tell me how much it is? And so she said, oh, I'll ask the manager, which was the guy I was talking to at the window. And he went, it's 95p, all right? 95p. So that's like less than $1. That's less than €1, isn't it? 95 pence. I just went, yeah, that's absolutely fine. And I paid my money and I ran with it. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm going to do a little bit of investigation and I might scan those images for you because they are stunning, aren't they? Absolutely stunning. So yeah, that's my books. That I saved the best till last. That is just gorgeous. I can't wait to use this because it is so beautiful. It will be something that I will keep in my possession because it is so beautiful. So be made with original ephemera, of which I have so much. And I think this is the cover that was maybe waiting for all that beautiful original ephemera to be used in, and I'll use the original pictures in it as well because they are gorgeous. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you with some crafting in the week. Okay, bye for now, take care.